In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Calendar appointment scheduling page. Whether you're managing personal commitments or coordinating professional meetings, setting up a scheduling page in Google Calendar can streamline your process and ensure that all your appointments are neatly organized. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Google Calendar by searching for it in your browser or navigating directly to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do that next. Click on the Sign In button and enter your Google account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the main calendar page. Now, in the Google Calendar interface on the left-hand side, you'll see a big plus Create button. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Appointment Schedule. This is designed specifically for setting up a page where people can book time with you based on your preset availability. After selecting Appointment Schedule, you'll be prompted to enter details like the name of your appointment schedule and the duration of each booking slot. This is where you customize how you want your schedule to be structured. Choose a name that's descriptive enough to convey the purpose of these appointments and set a time duration that makes sense for the average meeting or appointment you're scheduling. Next up, specify your general availability. This means identifying the days and times when you're open to taking appointments. Google Calendar provides options to repeat your availability weekly, which is handy if you have a consistent weekly schedule. Don't forget to set your time zone, especially if you're dealing with people across different regions, as this helps avoid any confusion about appointment times. As you move forward, click on the Scheduling Window option. Here, you can fine-tune preferences such as how far in advance people can book appointments and whether you require a notice period before appointments can be scheduled. Adjust these settings to fit your needs, ensuring that your schedule remains manageable and doesn't catch you by surprise. Once you're satisfied with the availability settings, go ahead and click on Calendars. Then, move to Booked Appointment Settings, where you can determine how notifications and reminders are set up. This section ensures that both you and your attendees are well informed about the appointments. Continue by clicking through the setup, filling in details as needed, like adding extra information or items if necessary. Now it's time to set up your booking confirmations and reminders to keep everything clear and organized for both parties. Finally, click on Save to commit all your configurations. Once everything is saved, you can copy the booking link and send it to recipients, allowing them to book appointments seamlessly according to the availability you've set up. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up a Google Calendar appointment scheduling page, making it easy for others to book time with you while keeping your schedule in check. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.